How to beat the odds in trading? Did you know that 90% of traders lose money? If you're reading this, you might be part of that group. The common belief is that success in trading depends on mastering technical analysis, but that's not the real problem. The key to winning isn't in the charts, it's in how you think. This video will show you how to shift your mindset and become a profitable trader by mastering the mental game of trading. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. It's easy to assume that losses come from a lack of knowledge about candlestick patterns, trend lines, or support and resistance levels. However, most traders who fail already know these concepts. The issue isn't technical analysis. It's a human problem rooted in emotions like fear, greed, and the desire to fit in with the majority. To start winning, you need to accept that your mindset, not your chart reading skills, is the key to success. Changing your approach. This video isn't about teaching you trading strategies. Instead, it's about changing how you think while trading. No amount of technical analysis will help you if your mindset isn't aligned with success. Many traders fall into the trap of thinking they just need to find the perfect strategy, but that doesn't exist. The secret lies in how you handle your emotions and make decisions. Why most traders fail. Many highly intelligent and successful people, such as doctors and scientists, have tried trading and failed. Why? It's because they haven't learned to manage their emotions effectively. They follow the crowd and make emotional decisions rather than logical ones. This leads to losses and frustration. To break out of this cycle, you must stop thinking like the average trader and start thinking like the top 1%. Instead of focusing on technical tools, start thinking about your approach. For example, many traders rush to buy when prices drop, thinking they're getting a bargain. However, they often end up selling at a loss when the price continues to fall. The solution is to follow the trend and look for opportunities that align with market momentum, rather than trying to predict reversals. Managing emotions. One of the biggest challenges in trading is dealing with emotions. Many traders refuse to close losing positions because it feels like admitting failure. They hope the market will turn around, but that rarely happens. The result? Larger losses. To avoid this, you need to be disciplined, set stop losses, and stick to them. Reducing your position size when you're on a winning streak can also help avoid letting emotions take over. Rewiring your brain. To become a top 1% trader, you must rewire your brain and unlearn bad habits. This involves accepting discomfort and adopting new ways of thinking. Profitable trading is often boring and uncomfortable because it requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to do what feels counterintuitive. For instance, instead of taking partial profits too soon, focus on scaling into winning positions to maximize gains. Practice makes perfect, but not in the way you think. Practicing good habits is crucial. Simply practicing won't make you perfect, but practicing the right actions will. Follow your trading plan, meditate, and practice patience. Over time, these habits will help you become more consistent and profitable. Stop predicting, start reacting. Many traders try to predict market movements, but that's not the path to success. Instead, focus on reacting to what the market gives you. Have a strategy that tells you when and where to enter and exit trades, and trust it. Stop trying to outguess the market. Let your edge do the work for you. In conclusion, trading success isn't about mastering technical analysis. It's about mastering your mindset. Profitable trading is often uncomfortable and counterintuitive, but by rewiring your brain, managing your emotions, and adopting disciplined habits, you can join the top 1% of traders who consistently make money. Stop thinking like the average trader and start thinking like a winner.